Hi everybody, welcome to a new Dive in Live session. Inspirational short tutorials to give you some new tricks and techniques that you can use in your music immediately. So this time I'm going to show you a special technique where you can use a long vocal sample and create all kinds of snippets from it in a very creative way. So let's dive in and get started. We're here in Ableton. I've got a track that I'm working on with a friend. And I thought it was nice to add a vocal. So we create a MIDI track and we add a sampler. And then we go to my sound bank and I've got here a vocal. You can use any vocal that you want to use. I have this Eddie Amador house music vocal, a very famous vocal, which you can use to create the vocal step. So what I want to do is create a pattern that's actually having some nice rhythm to it, maybe like this. Let's put it on 1/16. Let's make it like this and then loop it from here. It's a sort of a polyrhythm, which is super cool. Polyrhythms are really nice to use in your music. So let's try this. Let's solo the sound. So you see it's already working here.
House music.
So this is what I want to do. I want to use this starting point.
How it it
And this technique will really cause you to have some more effects from a vocal that you usually will have if you just put in the vocal yourself or you have to chop it up yourself. So what I do, I create a audio channel next to it, and it gets the audio from my MIDI channel, which I'll call vocal for now, vocal. And this is like the recorded vocal. And what is cool to do is to like put this on record and have it muted and just record anything basically over the music. So we can have this going on. And you can just go through the sample and try to find some nice areas which work like this. That's nice. You get all these snippets. And this way you can have all these different recorded vocal steps in here. And then you can just make it a bit louder. You delete this channel. You can take recorded vocal, add it into your music. Let's say we add it from here. And then I can just say like, hey, I want to use this part, and move it there. And you can actually start using these things. You can jam it live and do all kinds of stuff. Use all kinds of vocals and have really a creative way in creating more of an interesting effect with vocals. It's really cool. Play with it. I hope it was very interesting for you, and that you can use this to your advantage of creating interesting sounds. You can also do it with other sounds and vocals, of course, and just use the start point of the sampler to go through the sample itself, and to create nice nice effects and sounds for your music. Hope you liked the session. Dive in Live is brought to you by Lessons in Live, a school that I run in Holland. If you like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook page. I have a Facebook group called Lessons in Live as well. If you want to join there, lots of friendly faces that share knowledge about electronic music making and about just like producing software, producing gear, anything that you need, you'll find on there. So, yeah, see you next time. Bye.